Hey, we got the snow coming. Watch this before you panic. Tip number 1, put a blanket over your car before it snows. In the morning, pull it off, snow gone. Tip number 2, please don't buy food in bulk. If the power goes out, all the food gone. Wasted. Tip number 3, buy charcoal and lighter fluid. If gas or electric goes out, you can still cook outside. Tip number 4, always keep cash on hand. No power equals no cards to swipe. Tip number 5, and don't risk your life for a job. If it snows and you're snowed in, don't go. What's your best storm tips? Let me know.